Testando o som do Celtinha. DVDzinho da Palha.
Already got one rolled up in my left hand. Pussy on my mind, tighter than the headband. Cushion in my lungs, got ganja in my sweat glands. This shit I'm on better than the next strand. Better than the next strand. She head down, booty popping in the handstand. Sound right now, give your girl a slight tan. I make that pussy whistle like the Old Spice man. I don't even understand why she'd ever want a man. If she ever throw it, I catch it like a corner bag. Like a corner bag, that's an interception. You think I give a fuck? That's a misconception. Oh what a night, oh what a night. The roof is on fire, so what I'm high. I say oh what a night, oh what a night. Yeah, she a bad bitch, all jokes aside. Hey, look at baby over there. What's up? Little mama come here. She start talking about I really couldn't hear until she started dancing like she do it in the mirror. Like she do it in the mirror. Like she do it in the mirror. She broke it down, started moving like she
Tem
cared.
água voando por todo lado.
Do it in the mirror. Chop one, chop two, chop that ass down, down. Chop that ass down, down. Chop that ass down. All I want you to do is just drop that ass down, drop that ass down. I look back at it.
Whistling Dixie, middle school, I was getting head on the 10-speed. Gigolo bloodline, pimping the hereditary. Black on 28, it remind me of February. You can fuck with me, that would be never weary. Dead ass rapper should've came with a cemetery. I am so cold, nigga like Ben and Jerry. Fill a nigga, deal a nigga, kill a nigga, obituary. My bitch I'm blurry, these bitches flirting.